Griffins have the puck and across the line. Callahan near side shot save and the rebound. Loose in front, score! And Lorito as the puck got away from the goaltender Martin, and Lorito pounced on it and flashed it off the left post and in. And the Griffins have the lead, 1-0. Moves it ahead for Ferk. Now back to Nosek across the line. Angling into the slot in front. Bertuzzi walks in, backhander, score! What a pass by Tomas Nosek and a terrific move by Bertuzzi. Backhand 5-hole, 2-0. Griffins lead it. Pass for the late man Caito, just out of his reach. He'll turn with it though from the right point. Let one go. That's tipped wide. Left corner, Eric Tangradi. Boy, he's playing good right now, isn't he?
He is. Beyond the points, he's been everywhere.
Here's Allen across to Caito in front. Score! What a play by Matt Caito. He set up Ben Street on the doorstep for a backdoor empty netter, and the Griffins have the 3-0 lead. Not yet established, but they will be.
That's right. Now there's no more oddness to that.
That's right.
Oh,
here's a shot, score! A long wrist shot by Matt Ford. Found its way through the goaltender.
Another situation, Eric's so close in there, they can't give him that kind of room. Somebody had to force the issue with him. They didn't.
There's Russo cutting it with a shot, save, and the rebound, score! And there's a power play goal for Tangradi, who's also now reached double digits in goals with his 10th of the year. And the Griffins lead it 5-0.
I'll make them pay here, boys. Guess you don't need it, but look at the group that's back out too, Jays.
Caito cutting in a shot, score! I think Matt Caito will get credit for it. Standing on the doorstep. That's going to do it. Eddie Pasquale is going to record his third shutout with the Griffins. And